Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of multi-step multiplication and division problems. This is standard 3.4K in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 10 of the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got Amy, Carl, and Liz, and they equally share 60 building blocks. All right, so let's draw that real quick. So I'm going to draw Amy, and I'm going to draw Carl, and I'm going to draw Liz. All right, so there's a few different ways that we can do this. One way would be to let's just draw an array here. So I'm going to draw, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I'm going to draw 6 groups of 10. And that's going to represent these 60 building blocks. Now, within that first sentence, it actually tells us what we need to do. It says they equally share. So when we see equally share, that tells us that we need to divide them amongst the 3 people. And equally means that we're also going to use division. So both of those words, equally and then share, kind of give us that clue that we're dealing with division. But we're going to divide by what? Well, how many people are there? We've got 3 people. How many building blocks are there? There are 60. So we can write that as an equation if we want to. We can say 60 divided by 3. We could also, if we wanted to, we can make it a strip diagram. Right? We can say, all right, we've got 60. And we're going to divide that by 3 into 3 different parts. So there's different ways that we can look at it, right? And so let's use our representation here. How can we divide this by 3? Well, you notice we've got 6 rows of 10. So if we want to look at it like this is my 6 rows. This is my 10. This is how I know I have 60. 6 times 10 makes 60. But I can look at it and visually I can see that if I make one split there and one split here, I've effectively divided it into 3 equal sections. Each section has 2 rows, 2, 4, 6. So I can divide my 6 by 3, and that gets me 2 rows each. Now, how much is in each row? Well, it's 2 rows of 10, so that's going to be 20, 20, and 20. So each person gets 20, 20, 40, 60. That makes sense. So let's add that to what we have so far, equals 20. And we'll say 20, 40, 60. All right, so Amy, Carl, and Liz each have 20, 20, 40, 60. Now, step 2, let's focus on Amy. So we're just going to look at that first section, the first 2 rows. She's going to divide her building blocks into 2 equal piles. All right, so our 4 equal piles, excuse me, we're going to take our 20 and we're going to divide it into 4 equal piles. How many is in each pile? Let me change colors here. I want to divide this into 4 equal piles. Well, I can easily divide it into 2 equal piles if I draw it like this. Now I've got a 10 and a 10. And then how do I cut each of those piles in half? Well, if I take 10 and cut it in half, I'm going to get 5 and 5. Now let's look. Do I have 4 equal piles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write those there. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yes, I've used this picture here. I've got 4 equal piles. And the question is how many is in each pile? Well, that's going to be 5 in each pile. And what I would do is I would take this 20 right here and I would just cut this into 4 equal piles like this. And then I would just say 5 is in each one of them. So that is going to be our answer. C, because Amy has 5 building blocks in each pile.